Myself, Sunil Kumar KG, Assistant Professor, Indian College Ajmer. Today I teach distributed file systems in distributed systems. A distributed file system is a client-server based application that allows client client to access and process data stored on the server file systems server file systems on their computers. All files are accessible to all users of the global file systems, and organization is hierarchical and directly based. There are system models and architecture models of distributed is consist with the placements of its interaction models. Distributed model solution use advanced systems execution model simulation to study in effect of contraction to shared process and other delays for inter-process coordinations. A system performance based on distributed process model enhance overall the system performance matrices like process competition time and the process duration to achieve location and performance transparency by distributed performance file systems. Issues naming location resource management. It is possible to gather information about the utilization or availability of the resources, priority, processor allocation, load balancing, hierarchical organization of process. If a process cannot handle a request, ask the parent for help. Process handling. Communication dependency has to be considered. Fault tolerance. The design should consider distribution of controlling data. Typical services include name, directory, file, time, and inter-process communication types. There are three fundamental mechanisms: message passing, remote accessible, policy or non-balancing, reliable or unreliable, preferred or unpreferred systems. Their process and models. These systems are undistributed file system. Transparency, naming, and reliable controversy of the file systems. Four types of client server file systems. This is the distributed file systems.